Hey y'all, Dan here. Just purchased the new Cardo Packtalk Slim. Wanted to give a quick first impressions video, do a little unboxing, and then fit this into my helmet. Let's get at it. So I'm here on the table with the Cardo Packtalk Slim. Comes in a nice box. We'll unbox that. And there's a little flap here. Let's see what we get in that. Got a nice picture of a man riding a motorcycle. And this is the device. You can see here, this time they decided to split this between the battery and actual comm unit, just to help with weight and keep a real slim profile while you're on the bike. What else you get in the box is you get a couple foam pads that hold the device. We get a nice Cardo sticker. We got a pocket guide in a different language. Got a warranty and an installation guide. All right, in the first little pack here, looks like it comes with a micro USB charging cable. And then the rest of the pack we've got, feels like, it's like we've got some mounting hardware as well as a small boom mic for the helmet. And then this is actually the magic of how Cardo got through into the Packtalk Slim. We've got a couple mounting brackets, and these are supposed to go into the back of your helmet and help keep this battery pack in. So they kind of mount up like that, and then you're supposed to install it with the battery. We'll get more into that a little later here. Looks like we've got another shim for the battery here for the back. Some alcohol prep pads. Also in the box we actually have a flexible arm mic. It looks like this also melts with Velcro. And then we have another nice feature that Cardo included. We have 2 JBL certified speakers. Hoping these sound real good. Now on the device, we have, looks like 3 buttons on the top face here. We've got a probably pairing button, play button, and call button. And then on the bottom, we have plus and minus volume buttons. So this is my helmet, the Bell Qualifier DLX. I've already removed the comfort foam just so I can get everything installed in here, make it a nice painless process. Alright, so the first step of installation is we have some recessed holes here for the speakers. I'm going to go ahead and actually Velcro those in. I'm actually going to mount speaker number 1 and number 2. And then since the Cardo is actually meant to sit on the left side of your head, we're going to be mounting the speaker with the short wire in on that side. It should just, yep, it just Velcros into place like that. We'll mount that one in right there on the left side. We'll want to make sure too, just that we have enough room. And we can kind of lay that cord along the top part of our comfort foam. We actually get to mount the Cardo unit into the helmet. So we'll want to make sure we are mounting to a nice clean area on the helmet. And this should just slide on there. And slide into place just like that. Awesome. So for the mounting of my specified helmet, Cardo says to use the long bracket and the long skirt. I'm just installing those now. Hey, there we go. All right. So that's done. Secured into place. Now what we'll want to do is now we'll worry about managing these cables a little later. But for now, let's just get that installed and make sure that we can. And then the next thing we're actually going to want to mount up is going to be the microphone. I'm gonna mount it just shy of my vent so that I can get it in there. And then after we have all our wires set, we are actually going to reseat all our comfort pads. I'm going to go ahead and put those in right now, and then I'll get back to you. And that is the finished product. I've mounted the communicator. It is the next day now because I ran out of time. You can see here we have the communicator on the side of the helmet and then the battery unit on the back. Helmet still feels comfortable, and it doesn't feel much heavier either because the weight is well distributed. That's all for today. Thank you.